Hello, good morning all. I'm Sherry Panachikal and today's my video. I'm going to explain Steve Jobs' 7 wonderful rules and successful ideas. Everybody knows that Steve Jobs. He is the co-founder of Apple and the man who fired from his own company. That's Steve Jobs, and he reveals his 7 wonderful rules that creates him. Everybody knows that Steve Jobs is a wonderful man, wonderful entrepreneur, wonderful creator, and he created that Apple company. So let's start our video. Rule number 1: love what you do and do what you love. That's a famous rule number 1. And Steve Smith always followed his dreams, and he's loving all the time what you're doing, what he is doing, and he only did what he loves. So that's a wonderful, cool idea. And according to him, search all the time. If you never find one, search all the time what you're loving. Search, continue searching all the time what you're loving, and start that dream idea. Start your dream job. You know why? Once you start to do your loving job, you can create maximum, you can produce maximum. That's your job. Your whole body and brain gonna synchronize with you. That's your creator. So start your creator inside you. And rule number 2, never lose your faith. According to him, he fired from the same company he started, and that years is a golden years, and he started create new ideas, and he started new 2 companies, and he won all the ideas. So according to him, believe yourself and stay in your mind and never lose your faith. His 3rd rule: never afraid to say no. Always learn to say no. Always, if you want to say no, just say no. Don't afraid. No one gonna kick you. That's your self-respect. Once you start respect yourself, that's the point you're creating. So learn to say no. That is rule number 3. And rule number 4: stay focused all the time. Beware of your all negative emotions and stay focused and stay tuned. Once you start stay tuned, your body and mind gonna synchronize each other. That's the point you're creating. So stay focused. And rule number 5, that's a wonderful rule. Once you watch the Steve's videos, the beginning of his interview sessions, he is known a good speaker, but once time passed, he became a good, inspiring, educator, speaker. So according to him, communication skill that's gonna improve every day. You have to improve every day. The communication skill is a skill that's gonna represent you. That's your picture that you can communicate to the outer world. So you always educate the people, inspire the people, entertain the people. That's the point. So learn how to communicate and build that quality every day. Improve your communication ability every day. That's the most important rule. And rule number 6, keep a big mission always. It's not depend on the money, and that depend on the nothing small, and depend on the big impacts, and think how the dreams gonna impact our planet, and those kind of big mission. Always keep a big mission that's gonna inspire you, motivate you, help you, and make you happy. That's gonna create your world. So make a big mission always. Make a big mission. Dream big. Make a dream big mission in your mind. And his 7th wonderful rule is copy and steal wonderful ideas from your world. That's a good idea. Every big legends steal the ideas. If you feel that's a fantastic idea, if you feel that's a fantastic technology, if you feel that's a fantastic belief, then copy. Then why you hesitate to copy that? Copy it to your life, copy it to your business with their permission. Copy all the fantastic ideas. Copy all the fantastic rules that gonna inspire you, that's gonna make you happy. So those are the 7 wonderful rules and ideas that Steve Smith follows in his life. According to him, a little bit hard to follow all these ideas, but force yourself every day. Force yourself every day. You know why? Every day we have a battle here between your negative emotions and your creative mind. So when you create your mind, force yourself. Once you feel it's a bad day, just fight and force yourself. So become a good billionaire man. So that's a billionaire mindset. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, just comment it. And if you have any inspiring idea also, just comment it. We can do some videos about that. And please subscribe my channel, and then only my video gonna get more reach, and I can inspire more and more people. So thank you so much. Stay tuned and stay safe. You have a wonderful day and wonderful night. Your wonderful life. Thank you so much for watching me.